Come on in.
Come on in. Holy smokes, what's that?
Factory installed lithium.
It really does have the feel of a home. And I long for a real oven.
You can get up to 600 watts of solar.
Well, I can see why everybody's driving around in fifth wheels.
All right, welcome from the Tampa RV Super Show 2022 edition. We are going to look at fifth wheels today. And we don't know a lot about fifth wheels, really.
We don't. We've never owned one, but there's sure a lot of people out there that do own them.
Yep. And a lot of you said, go check out what's in a fifth wheel. So, well, we're going to do that.
We're going to show you the fifth wheel that was chosen
RV of the year. How's that? Let's go to the best.
Can't get much better than that.
Check this out. This is the Keystone ARCADIA. Now, I tell you, I've never had a fifth wheel, but this one has me thinking. Let me just start by going to some of the cool things. Look at this pass-through storage in here. Look at how deep that is. I mean, I could take my e-bikes. I could take all of our fancy chairs. I mean, I can't imagine how it would ever possibly be filled up. And I like it. You can easily clean this off. It's got tie downs in it. That's great. Up on the roof is their solar flex system. It comes with solar. You can get up to 600 watts of solar. And of course, Keystone has this great deal with Dragonfly batteries. Dragonfly is the parent company of Battleborn batteries, and you can have it factory installed lithium. The length of this thing, this is one of the smallest one it makes. This is 32.5 feet long. 32.5 feet. The weight about 9,000 pounds. They advertise that you can tow it with a half-ton. I'd probably do a 3/4 ton, but I've always wanted a 3/4 ton, so this would be my excuse, right? This is the ARCADIA. Let's go inside because you gotta see how nice this thing is inside. All right, walking in. Wow, look at this. Look at the decor of this thing. I like this. This dinette. Very comfy. Look at how much room it is, and you've got some chairs. Nice dinette. I mean, like a real table that you can eat at. And holy mackerel, look at this. Have you ever seen a sectional sofa in an RV? I'm trying to think. In fact, as I think it's very important that I kind of stretch out on this thing and really think. No, I have never seen a sectional sofa on a fifth wheel, or any RV for that matter. This is beautiful. So you've got this really comfy sectional, big TV, awesome cupboard, really cupboard. Look at the oven. Very nice. Now here's something that you really can't see, so they give you a little sign. This is called this flooring that we're looking at is called Hyper Deck. And can you see what it's looking? It's like a little sandwich. It's aluminum framed, it's laminated flooring, and what is so nice about this is, well, besides being moisture free, there's none of that rocking back and forth that you often experience on a floor and something this big, and it's really good in keeping your feet warm, making that floor warm. So this is the main living area, just super comfy. Refrigerator, look at that, how nice that looks. It's all hidden into the wall, part of the decor. Up the obligatory 3 steps to the bedroom, and queen size bed. Look at the storage. Lots of storage all around. Really nice looking storage too. Here's your wardrobes, deep wardrobes. Wow, very deep. Lots of shelves. Look at that. I can take my whole year's wardrobe with me. Plenty of room on both sides of the bed. A real bedroom door for privacy. Very nice. And into the bath. Awesome shower. Awesome shower. Dometic porcelain toilet. Sink. Nice medicine cabinet, all in that great decor. Look at the depth of that. You can put every towel and beach towel that you ever would possibly need in that thing. And a big shower. So, and there's your control center right here for all of your various functions that you need to turn switches on. Very nice. Love this floor. Love the floor. All right, let's go outside. Okay, so I went back and got Jennifer, and I brought her back to this Arcadia. I wanna see her reaction to it. So we've never even thought about a fifth wheel, but look at this.
You want me to go in first?
No, I'm gonna go in first so I can get your reaction.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2,
so,
3, 4, 5 steps.
5 steps. This is 32 feet.
32 feet.
32 feet. Just know that our Class C is 25 feet. So it's only about technically 7.5 feet longer.
Well, you take all that overhang, it could be kind of about the same length.
Right, except that's a bedroom up there. But let me just get your reaction, because I just want to see what you think.
And on the truck.
Come on in.
Come on in. All right, here I am. Oh, this is cute. How do you keep those wooden chairs from bouncing around?
You know, I don't know. I don't know. I've never had one of these before. How do you keep
I
them
don't
from?
know how. I like the little L sofa back there. It looks
Sectional
very-
sofa. Have you ever seen that?
No, I've never seen a sectional.
Because that's
sofa.
how you sit. I sit
Yeah.
like that.
Oh yeah. Well, this is good. It really does have the feel of a home. Even the window treatment.
Yeah.
Dropping the drape. Big windows to open. This is a fireplace.
I didn't notice that.
We have a fireplace
Oh my gosh, it does.
and a radio.
Yeah.
AM, FM radio, I presume. 'Cause I see
And
AM.
look at
Well,
this.
this is quite.
This is the pantry.
pantry. Holy smokes! That's better than I've got at home. Have they got lights in there? Yeah, that's better than what I have at home. That's a very impressive looking microwave. I presume it's a microwave convection oven. And we've got 3 burners. And I long for a real oven. I miss my oven. Okay, that's it. Automatic shut? No?
No.
Gotta do that yourself. Alright. Woohoo! Like I say, I think bigger than what we have at home.
But doesn't that look nice? Look at the way.
It really
look at the
does.
decor here.
Yeah. Ooh, I guess
I think
that's just
those open.
decorative.
They just are.
Those are just decorative. Nice kitchen.
All right, I'm gonna go up here. I want to see. I want to see your reaction in here. So stand by.
Wow, what a cutting board. Holy smokes.
I'll come back. All right, come on in.
Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. A nice bedroom. Very nice. Looks like a king size.
It's a queen.
A queen.
But,
But it looks
take a look at the storage in there.
Yeah. Well, I can see why everybody's driving around in fifth wheels. This is home on wheels. What kind of mileage does it get?
Well, it doesn't get any. It's whatever you're towing it with. It's going to be right.
You know, I got to get out and push every now and
But
then.
look at, you got a little. It's just everything.
Little
Everything's just
nightstand.
all the touches,
It
the
really,
decor,
it is decorated very nicely.
and a real door.
Yeah, a real door. And 2 real nightstands. And nice windows. Lots of storage.
Check the bathroom out.
Oh, I like the sliding door. Shower, sink. Nice. Little decoration there. All right, you got elbow room in there. I'm kind of afraid to force it. Holy smokes, what's that?
You could put a grandkid in there.
Oh, put a lot in there, that's for sure. Well, now I know why everybody's running around in fifth wheels. This is larger than some people's homes. Oh, and the barn door. Got a barn door here.
Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah. Well, this is decorated very, very nicely. This is a cutting board and a half.
And it's a cover for the sink. Oh, it's a big. Look at that sink. Mm-hmm. Isn't it called a country sink or something?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wastebasket. Right under there. All the comforts of home. Ah, I bet you that strap is somehow for the chairs.
There we go.
Very nice. Now I see why so many people have fifth wheels. It's big, but boy, is it nice, just like home.
So I think we now understand why so many people like fifth wheels, huh?
I do.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So the Arcadia, there's several different models. This one's, as we said, 32 and a half feet long, goes up to 40 feet. Just getting a lot of buzz out there. A lot of folks really like it. From Keystone, we were impressed. I'll say that. We were impressed. Hey, we're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. Thank you guys for watching. Please do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't already done so, click the bell icon, and then you'll be notified when we have new videos. Thanks for watching.
Happy trails.